Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ifra Solutions. In today's video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of installing the Hindi language on your Windows PC. First of all, click on search, then select regional setting. There we see a button add language. So we click on the button add language. There are list shown of languages where we select Hindi and click on install. Okay, it takes some time, so let's wait for the installation. It's may install within 30 to 40 seconds. It depends on your internet speed also, so let's wait. It's install all Hindi languages. Now it's downloading. Okay, now it's installed. We try to open it in notepad. We open the notepad and try to type it's working or not. So it's we not change the language. So now we change the language to Hindi. But it's still type in its language Hindi installed, but it's type in traditional language. So we are again go to the regional setting. So we change the language in English and again try to go in we try to select the language and go to the regional setting, and here we open the language option. Okay, so here we see that there is a keyboard traditional. We install another keyboard Hindi Phonetic. We use the Hindi Phonetic and remove the previous traditional keyboard. Now we try again. We open the notepad and try. Always again not change the language. Now we change the language and now it's working. So guys, now we are able to type in normal Hindi language. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you next time.